All right, so today we're gonna get started right away with the single stroke roll. Single stroke roll is the first rudiment that we're gonna be looking at because it's the basis of everything else we're gonna do. Single stroke roll is exactly what it sounds like. We're gonna be playing right to left to right to left. The best way to practice this is slow and controlled at first. The reason being is that we're not looking for speed, we're looking for mechanics and motion. We want to make sure we're doing it right, and then we can do it fast. So the single stroke roll, it's very simple, goes like this. Now, this may seem easy because hopefully it is. If it is, that's great. If not, then this is a great place to start working on your mechanics. So what we want to be focusing on the single stroke roll is you want a nice bounce with each hand, because if you isolated it, meaning if I take my left hand out of the single stroke roll, I'm playing okay? And the reason this is important is because you don't want to be forcing the stick, you don't want to be gripping the stick hard, you want it to be nice and relaxed, you want to feel the stick actually bounce off the pad. Remember, the drum is probably more bouncy and can do more work than your hand actually can trying to pick the stick up every time. So let the stick and the pad work for you. And that's going to be a theme going throughout these lessons, is you want the stick to do the work for you. And the single stroke roll is a great place to start with that. So I hope that covers the single stroke roll for you. Now we're going to get started with some single stroke rudiments.